Tired of dealing with dry, damaged hair that feels brittle and looks dull? Imagine a product that not only restores moisture but also strengthens your hair from within, leaving it soft, shiny, and frizz-free for weeks. That's exactly what CHI Keratin Silk Infusion promises: an easy, effective way to heal and hydrate your hair while preventing future breakage. I've tried countless hair serums, but CHI's formula stands out. What makes it different? It combines natural keratin, which rebuilds your hair's protective cuticle, with hydrolyzed silk that penetrates deep to lock in moisture. This unique blend dramatically improves elasticity, so your hair can bounce back instead of snapping off. Plus, nourishing oils like argan and jojoba add an extra layer of hydration and shine without weighing hair down or leaving it greasy. The lightweight texture means you can apply it daily without worrying about buildup, and the subtle, pleasant scent lasts for months. Using CHI Keratin Silk Infusion is simple. Just a small amount rubbed into your palms and worked evenly through damp or dry hair, seals in moisture and smooths the surface. No rinsing needed, just style as usual. Over time, you'll notice less frizz, softer strands, and stronger hair that resists damage. It's especially worth a look if you struggle with breakage or dry ends after heat styling or coloring. If that's you, CHI Keratin Silk Infusion offers what you need: deep hydration, improved elasticity, and a smoother, shinier finish. It's backed by Farouk Systems, a trusted name in professional haircare based in Houston, ensuring quality you can count on. Try it when you're ready to give your hair the care it deserves and enjoy long-lasting results that make a visible difference.